Hey guys, Apple Buff here and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to see the changes that came with the update of third public beta of iOS 14 that Apple just dropped last night. Talking about the update, it was an update of 707 MB on my iPhone 6s, which may vary from phone to phone, and it did take a bit time, but that's okay. So let's quickly jump on the major changes that took place with iOS 14 Beta 3. Finally, with this update, we got our hands on with the clock widget. That was the most awaited iOS 14 feature that Apple showed during the WWDC keynote. This widget comes in three options: City 2x2, City World Clock 2x2 and City World Clock 4x2. You can choose any one from these three options available and place it on your home screen just like you place other widgets on the home screen. So for those of you who have Apple Music subscription, this update will give a new look to the Apple Music icon. Just a fun fact, with this update, Apple gave the icon of Apple Music an iOS 7 or 8 look, which is really nostalgic, and to be honest, I'm loving it. So on the iPhones that support 3D Touch, this update will remove 3D Touch and instead replace it with a Haptic Touch, which means whenever you long press an app, it will give a haptic feedback. So in a way, it's good that this will save a bit of battery. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel for weekly Apple related content. And catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.